Hi guys, welcome to Kuradangerz channel. In today's video, we are talking about a tiny lingerie bikini sexy G-string transparent panty haul from Shopee part 1. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel. So this is our lingerie for today. I get this lingerie from an online store, Shopee, and the price is 55 pesos, very affordable for a lace sexy lingerie. The material is lace, but the quality of the lace is not that good. It is crotchless that it makes extra sexy. It is best for your sexy time or in a first night as husband and wife. So if you're following or watching my previous videos about sexy lingerie, you know that I like lace lingerie and it looks so elegant and pretty. And the color is black, which is my favorite color when it comes to undergarments. So this is our video for today, a tiny lingerie bikini sexy G-string transparent panty haul from Shopee part 1. So if you are interested for more sexy lingerie like this, please don't forget to subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel and please don't forget to like. See you in our next video. Bye!